How to mix neem oil. Neem oil is derived from the seed kernels of the neem tree and is used in the production of several commercial products, including mosquito repellents, cosmetics, lotions and soaps. Neem oil can be mixed together with other household ingredients to make a pesticide spray that is biodegradable and will not harm mammals, birds or bees, and that can control commonly found invaders such as aphids, spider mites, locusts and Japanese beetles. Neem spray can be applied directly to affected plants. Things you'll need: 1 teaspoon pure neem oil, large plastic spray bottle, 1 quart warm water, 1/4 of a teaspoon liquid dish soap. Pour 1 tsp. pure neem oil into a large plastic spray bottle. Add 1 quart warm water and 1/4 tsp. liquid dish soap to the bottle. Use a mild dish soap that does not contain any dyes, perfumes or antibacterial properties. Shake the ingredients together well and spray onto plants, leaves and potting media. Spray the neem oil mixture onto these plants in the morning when the sun is not fully out. Neem oil has been known to burn leaves if sprayed on plants in direct sunlight. Tips: warnings. Neem oil can be added to pet shampoo to kill ticks and fleas, and to regular human shampoo to help control dandruff. Just add a few drops to the shampoo before lathering up. Store neem oil at approximately 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure that the oil's properties remain potent.